Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add auto captions in CapCut step by step, so you can make your videos more accessible and easier to follow. First, open the CapCut app, or the web desktop version, and create a new project. Then, import the video clip you want to caption. Once your clip is on the timeline, tap or click the clip to select it, and open the Text or Captions tool from the bottom or left toolbar. Choose the Auto Captions option. Pick the language your video uses, and hit Generate, so CapCut can analyze the audio and create subtitle blocks for you. After the captions are generated, take a moment to proofread the text, correcting any mistakes and fixing names or slang that the tool might have misheard. Adjust the timing by dragging the caption edges on the timeline, so each line matches the speech perfectly. And tweak the font, size, position, or animation to match your video's style. If you need subtitles as a separate file, check the export options for SRT on the web or desktop version. Otherwise, simply export the video to burn the captions in. Finally, watch the exported video once to ensure everything looks and reads smoothly before uploading. That's it. You have learned how to add auto caption in CapCut. And say thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.